What's going on, YouTube? It's me, Jada1 Diecast, and I got another unboxing. It's actually the Car Culture Hot Wheels Premium set. Remember that one? Pretty sure you guys seen these on the pegs at one point. But yeah, today I'm here to do that unboxing. This is the 98 Toyota Altezza. You guys seen this one? It's number 2 of 5 Modern Classics. Sick. Here's the side. Here's the front. And here's the rear. And this will look a lot better once I unbox it, so you can see it for yourselves. And I like those rims too, sick. Those 5-star rims are sick. What else can I say about it? The interior looks like gray. Oh, this one's right-hand drive, you guys. On the right side, wow, that's pretty gnarly. Very sick, must say. I like this one. It has the same body style as that Lexus 300. IS 300, sorry. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, with that silver color. Sick with it. All right. And now we also have, because I only have 3 of the 5. I don't have all 5. I have 3 that I think are the sickest ones out of the whole set. And also we have the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. 5 of 5. And that lovely green color too. I love it. Sick. Here's the front. Here's the side again. Here's the rear. Awesome diecast. With that tan interior. This one's left-hand drive. Very sick with those cool rims. I like those rims a lot too. Must say, a sick diecast. Let's see. And also, followed by the Volkswagen Corrado VR6. Yeah, that one's awesome too. Look at that. And that purple, flickering purple color. Look at that front. Look at that side again. Look at the bad rims. Look at the rear. Very sick. Number 4 of 5. And yeah, man, this one, they put their hearts into it. Hot Wheels. I like it. They really went in. And it has the sunroof tilt up. Very sick with that bad spoiler in the back too. And this one is also left-hand drive with the gray interior. Very sick. And yep, that will also be getting unboxed. So let's start. Let's start with that 98 Toyota Altezza. Very sick. Let's do that. Man, this one's kind of heavy too. What? Very sick. Look at that, you guys. Oh, wow. Look at that. The other side. A cool rear. Very sick, man. I like it a lot. This one's sick. Must say, all around, a very sick diecast. And it has a lip right here, and followed by the side skirt. You got a side skirt as well, and then the rear little bumper piece. Very sick diecast. Let me put him right there. Wow, that thing even. Woo! That thing rolls nice too. Look at that. Woo! That thing is smooth sailing, you guys. Oh man, I almost left this out. The wheels are actually rubber. What? Wow. Must say, Hot Wheels did they thing right here. So we'll put you there. I wish I could show you guys how it looks, but for right now, it's chilling. Let's unbox that Mazda though. Woo! Sick. It came with a little plastic, extra plastic, please. Peace. But yeah, anyways, look at that. Very sick diecast. Look at the rear. Wow. The other side. The front. Cool as heck. I like the fact that they got that license plate on the side, making it look real JDM with it. Here's the interior. Sick. This one's sick. Wow, let's see how it is. Man, even rose sick too. And this one, it has like a mini trunk lid too. Has a trunk lid and everything on the top. I mean the rear. Can't really focus too much on it. I don't know why. But you can see it. That's cool. Wow, I like the color a lot on this. This is a nice diecast. Very sick. I like the detail, how they have the little muffler in the back too. You can see a little muffler. Awesome. That thing is cool. It's smooth. Very smooth. I'll put that guy right there, right next to him. Sick. Very sick. Now, let's open up that Volkswagen. This one's awesome. Let's see it outside of the package. Wow, that thing is just out of this world. Look at the rear, followed by that trunk lid right here too. The other side, the rims are nice. The front, sick front end. Just all around sick diecast. And you can see, look at how the sunroof tilts up. That's awesome. I like that. I like details like that on the Hot Wheels. They really did their thing on this one too. Very sick, must say. All around, sick diecast. And this one also too is nice and smooth when it rolls. I'm just here playing with it. That thing is awesome. Let's put that right there. Wow, look at that little lineup, that mini lineup. Sick with it. And yeah, that was a quick little unboxing I wanted to do real quick. If you like what you saw, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Peace.